Take a deep breath and settle in. Today we're slowing down, creating something small and beautiful. A simple hand-stitched border for this soft brown cotton. I'm using a classic beige cotton fabric for a natural, timeless look. First, fold the edge of your fabric neatly. When placing it in the hoop, notice I'm only fixing it halfway. This keeps the edge accessible while maintaining the tension we need for even stitches. To get a professional finish, we need a grid. I'm marking a row of dots 1/2 centimeters apart along the very edge. Then I'll add a second row 1/2 centimeter below that. Offset the second row so the dots sit exactly between the dots of the first row. This staggered or triangular layout is the secret to getting that perfect heart shape. I'm using 3 strands of off-white embroidery floss to match our fabric, along with these delicate multicolored seed beads for a touch of sparkle. Starting from the left, we'll use these parallel dots to guide a twisted chain stitch. As I pull the thread through, I'll slide on a tiny bead. A twisted chain stitch. See how it pulls into a soft heart shape? One after another, delicate, steady. It's a quiet transformation of a simple hemline. By anchoring the stitch between the top and bottom dots, a beautiful repeating heart pattern begins to emerge along the edge. Whether you use multicolored beads for a playful look or pearls for something more formal, this technique is a must-have for your stitching toolkit. Give it a try and show me your results. And there you have it, a simple, elegant border that adds a handmade charm to any garment. An elegant finish for a sleeve or a neckline. Whether you use beads or just the thread, let every stitch be a moment of peace. Thank you for spending this quiet time with me.